Welcome back, familia, to Northside LDN Caramba. And today we've got 16-year-old Brazilian wonder kid. Man, like, where is he? There he is, Gabriel Carvalho. Gabriel Carvalho has been linked to Arsenal. He's a Brazilian wonder kid. He plays in the Brazilian league. He's 16 years old. He's an attacking midfielder. He plays for Internacional in Brazil, in the Brazilian league. 16 years old. We're going to get into this article. His agent reports the 25 million euros midfielder is linked with Arsenal, and Arsenal are out to bid for him and get him over the line. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. Listen, make sure you're liking and subscribing. Make sure you're doing all that good stuff. And make sure not to repetir a mesma porcaria all the time, yeah? Make sure you're doing all that good stuff, yeah? Não vou repetir a mesma coisa. But I can't believe it. We need world-class players. And this filho da puta, this Brazilian John Travolta in Edu, what are you doing? 16-year-old Brazilian wonder kid. Vai tomar no curso, filho da puta. What Brazilian wonder kid, bro? Was it Marquinhos, a Brazilian wonder kid? We're going to get straight into the article. Já tá me estressar a cabeça. E já tô a perder a minha paciência with this rubbish. Let's get straight into this article. It's been reported by the Daily Cannon on One Football. And it says that Augusto, the agent of Brazilian wonder kid Gabriel Carvalho, has rubbished recent reports suggesting an imminent 25 million euros bid from Arsenal for his 16-year-old client. The agent says there's nothing in it, but we keep seeing reports that Gabriel Carvalho has been linked to Arsenal. He has been linked to Arsenal. Earlier this week, Brazilian outlet International Timeline reported that Arsenal were set to make a substantial offer for Carvalho. The story gained significant traction, especially in Brazil. However, the agent denied and seemingly put those rumors to rest, at least for now, with Carvalho recently signing a new contract with Internacional until 2028. The Brazilian club is under no pressure to sell their prized asset. Arsenal's supposed interest in Carvalho initially surfaced earlier this year, with reports linking the Gunners and Man City to the talented attacking midfielder. The 16-year-old has only made a handful of senior appearances for Internacional, but his potential has clearly caught the eye of some of Europe's biggest clubs. While the agent's statement suggests that a move to Arsenal is not currently on the cards, the situation could change if the Gunners formalize their interest and initiate contact with the player's representative. For now, it seems Arsenal fans will have to wait and see if the club makes a concrete move for Gabriel Carvalho. In the meantime, the youngster will only continue his development at Internacional, where he's expected to gain more first-team experience in the upcoming season. I don't want this guy. I ain't seen him. I don't want him. I don't trust these filhos da puta. I don't trust these maricas da merda. These filhos da puta tried to sell to us that, oh, we needed to pay the 3.5 million pounds to get Marquinhos. That flipping filho da puta is on the flipping Rio de Janeiro beach selling flipping Brazilian flip-flop Havanas, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm not hearing it. I don't want this guy. 16 years old. Bro, I told this club I wanted. You know what I wanted to see? I wanted to see Dani Olmo. Where is Dani Olmo? What happened to the links of Dani Olmo? Não traz filho da puta assim que não sabe jogar, nunca jogou na vida dele, não sabe jogar futebol. So, é miúdo. Ainda tá cheirado de xixi. And you're telling me that he's going to be what? In rotation with what? With who? With Odegaard. Não vem aqui a gastar o meu tempo, a gastar a minha saliva. I'm here ready for, getting ready for my cousin. My cousin's going to get married. You know what I'm saying? These guys are just raising my blood pressure. At the end of the day, what happened to Dani Olmo? What happened to world-class players once we get Champions League football? What happened to all of that? Mentiras encima de mentiras, encima de mentiras, encima de mentiras. What are we doing? Why are we getting 18, 19-year-olds? If we're so much about, propping the youth, we're going to give the youth a chance. Why didn't we get Charlie Patino a chance? Why didn't we get Aziz a chance? Why didn't we give Balogun a chance? No, I'm tired, bro. I'm tired of this rubbish, bro. I'm tired now. Get him out. I'm tired. We need a proper sporting director. This Philo is going out there getting 16-year-old kids. I'm telling you, I'm sick and tired of Edu and his Brazilian Neverland, bro. You ain't, bro. This guy trying to be the flipping Brazilian Michael Jackson. I'm tired of it, bro. We don't need kids. We need seasoned winners. We need veterans. We need world-class players, bro. We don't need 16-year-old kids, bro. Is anyone going to tell me that if Odegaard gets injured, we're going to go, they're happy to go with what? This kid? Gabriel Carvalho? Have any of you watched them? But then again, you already know, these Arteta only fans, they'll tell you, they'll put a compilation that this guy is world class. You've never seen him in your life. You've never seen him in your life. And our scouting of recent years of Brazilian players has been trash. Martinelli, he can be replaced. He's not that amazing. He really isn't. Yeah, put two players on him or make sure there's no space in behind the fullback. He ain't doing anything. That's the reality. Yeah, that is the reality. I've seen bigger, better Brazilian players than Martinelli. Don't gas me, Martinelli, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Then who do we have else? Well, we brought in Marquinhos. Before that, Wenger days, we had Wellington Silva. Wellington, bro. Oh, my days, bro. This is ridiculous, bro. I hope, listen, Otto Hazard, Nossa Senhora Fátima do Céu, please, escuta, Otto Hazard, that this club does not go and get this guy. He ain't good enough. Não vem aqui me dizer a fazer truques, yeah, a fazer macumba, trying to tell me that this guy is good enough, bro. This guy ain't good enough. And at the end of the day, yeah, I'm sorry, yeah. Why are we concentrating on young play, bro? Ban the young players, bro. We need winners, bro. Ban all of that. We're on phase 5, and we're looking at youngsters. We're looking at players that are yet to come over the hill, are yet to be good enough. Nah, bro, it's absolutely disgusting, bro. Not only are these men trying to tell us that this is the year for Fabio Vieira to break out this season, when we already know that guy ain't doing nothing. Esse filho da puta não vai fazer nada. He doesn't even get selected for Portugal. He's trash. Yeah? We got Fabio Vieira, and then what? We're going to bring in this guy. Is this guy going to be good enough? Please, 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 please. Yeah? Please. Eu tô aqui, tô de férias. Gajo não merece essa porcaria. I just don't need to be hearing this, bro. What I need to be hearing is us going out there getting a Dani Olmo, going out there and getting an Isak, going out there and getting a Pedro Neto or players like that. Going out there and getting quality players, bro. Don't be getting these players that it's going to take 4 or 5 years. 4 or 5 years. We're already 5 years into the process, into the project. And we're living La Vida process with 16-year-old. Oh, my days, bro. I swear down, bruv. I swear down. This is what I'm saying. This club doesn't do what needs to be done. This club it's always next year. This is what I'm saying. We're in phase 5 and they're getting us another player that they can say, wait till next year. He's still developing. Give him another 5 years. Give him another 10 years. Cala a boca, pá. Quero ver jogadores em condições. Quero ver jogadores. Eu quero ganhar troféus. Quero ganhar o campeonato, pá. Esse puto aí que cheira de xixi nunca jogou na vida dele. Vai ganhar o quê pro Arsenal? Vai ganhar o quê? Oh, não vem aqui me foder a cabeça. Go out there and get me a proper player, bro. Stop chatting rubbish, bro. Why are we linked to this guy, bro? Why are we linked to? Listen, I hope his agent is correct, bro. I hope his agent is right and we're not linked to this guy. But there's rumors linking us, and then there's rumors saying that we're not linked to him. I don't care. Where are the world class? What are you doing? I'm telling you, bro. Mikel Arteta and Edu, bro. They think they think getting players over the line, yeah, is like a woman when a woman's pregnant, bro. It takes 9 months, bro. Every day delivery FC. Do you know what I'm saying? Every day, bro, it is jarring. Why does it take us so long to get players over? Where is that flipping Spanish Flintstone, yeah, in flipping Mikel Moreno? Where is that Philo? I haven't seen that. I thought it was imminent. I thought it was. No, I'm tired, bro. No, sir. Why, bruv? Are you always complaining, bro? It's not even that bad, bro. We still got days in the window. We still got weeks in the window. Where are the players, bro? Where are the players? We're not doing anything. We're not winning anything. We are not showing intent. We are not showing that we're serious. We're not making big boy moves because we don't care. Bro, these men are already coming out saying Nketiah's gonna stay. Nketiah's gonna stay. We're not trying to get rid of Nketiah. It doesn't matter. We'll make it work. Make it work. Make it work. Nah, bro. Nah. We made it work when we used to go in the cupboard and there was only cornflakes in the cupboard. Because there was only one adult working in the house, so we understood, listen, there's going to be rainy days. This club is spending so much money. This club earns so much money, and they're trying to make it work with Fabio Vieira. They're trying to make it work with Nketiah. They're trying to make it work with Reece Nelson. I'm tired of these guys, bro. I'm tired of these guys. Get Arteta out. Get Edu out, bro. These guys couldn't sell they couldn't even sell some fruit and veg in the Vauxhall Market, bro. These men are some clowns. They couldn't even sell some brand new Jordans, in the car boot sale. I'm telling you, these men cannot seal a deal, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? They can't seal the deal. If these men were on red light district, they ain't getting nothing, bro. They'll go to the red light district with a bag of money. They still ain't getting nothing. They can't get over the line. They can't seal the deal. I'm tired of it. Where are the world-class players, bro? You finished up with the complaint to us. Oh, but wait after the Copa America. Wait after the agora. The Copa America acabou. The Euros acabou. Where's the jogadores? Nah, bro. Nah. I'm tired of this, bro. Don't. Tá sabendo, molho? Não vem aqui a mentir no molho, yeah? Eu não sou nenhum estúpido, não sou nenhum palhaço, yeah? Arteta out, eu não quero saber, eu não quero saber, eu nem preciso ver o que vai passar desse ano. I don't need to see what's gonna happen this year. We ain't winning nothing because this club are just content with Champions League football. That's the realidad. That is the reality. We're going for 16-year-olds. We was already going in for Sesko. Thank God we didn't get him. We didn't get him because he decided to stay at his current club. We don't move serious, bro. We don't move serious. So many strikers available. Oh, there's no quality available. But we was in for Sesko. What is he? Is Sesko the elite striker out there? There's nobody above Sesko. Bro, this club ain't serious, bro. Ivan Toney's there in the wings. Dovbik went to Roma. How are Roma able to find quality striker in the market? But we can never find a quality striker in the market. This club is run by losers, man. This is why sometimes you just gotta, like my mom says sometimes, in life, sometimes you gotta just do something else and enjoy. So right now, I'm gonna enjoy my desperados. I'm gonna enjoy my cousin's wedding. I'm gonna enjoy, having a bit of sun. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna enjoy. Because eu já tô cansado de ouvir a mesma porcaria todos os anos. Não vem aqui me justificar porcaria. Why have we not got a right winger? Why have we not got a striker yet? Why have we not got a number 10? And why are we talking to 16-year-olds, bro? I'm telling you, bro, get Panorama out for Edu, bro. Get Panorama out. Get the Brazilian Panorama out. Get flipping Jeremy Kyle and get Graham out. And get the lie detector test going, bro. Get the lie detector test going. Get Graham out. Yeah, get Jeremy Carr out here. Get Graham and get the lie detector running, bro. Because this club is lying to us, bro. Lying to us. Nah, bro. Is my vape charged? 50%, but for this, I don't deserve this crap, man. I don't deserve this crap. Listen, honestly, this club is beyond the joke. Beyond the absolute joke. Eu já tô por aqui. Epa. I already know. I've already accepted what it is. This club ain't going to win nothing. This club ain't going to do nothing because this club doesn't demand it. The fan base don't demand it. The ownership don't demand it. They're too busy saying, oh, you want to be toxic and negative. Oh, you want to complain. Oh, you want this, you want that. Like every time we warn you, the storm is closing in like Fortnite. You don't listen until you're caught in the storm and you're in the storm. And then your life is done out here. There's no medikit. There's no nothing. Every season, that's Arsenal season. Arsenal season is like Fortnite. We're like new players in Fortnite. You drop down from the bus. You parachute down. You go into an abandoned house away from the center. You think it's all gravy. You're there stocking up. Getting new guns, getting new ammunition, all this, pack, all this. Guess what? You'd never see the storm coming. You never get the players in that we need. You never see the storm closing in. By the time we see the storm closing in, it's too late. We've got beat by Aston Villa. It's now not in our hands. It's in Man City's hands. They win the league. That is the story of Arsenal for the last 20 years. We never see the storm closing in, and all we're doing is trying to run out the storm, and we got no midi kit. No midi kit. And then we end the season without a major honor. Listen, big up to everyone that's locked in. Big up to everyone that hit the like button. Make sure you're hitting the like button. Make sure you're subscribing, doing all that good stuff. Man. Listen, I'm out. Love, fam.